emboldened by my early success, I'm going to try the Fresoar now to try and keep it off the ground, because it is pretty soggy. The strip is waterlogged completely. I wouldn't want to try a big heavy model off of here. It'd be a nightmare. It's pretty bad with these. Just try and keep them off the ground as much as possible, or land them just in the long grass, which is probably favourite, to be honest. As I may have mentioned, this is one of my favourite scratch-build aeroplanes. Well, I'd say a great success story for me, this one. Kind of, whoops, yeah, concentrate, vlogs, kind of more impressive, I guess, because it's a scratch build and it's out of my head, dimension, shape, etc. And it just flies, and it flies very well. And it flies slow and fast. Yeah, the wind is sort of behind me here. That's into wind there. Whoop, 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 whoop. And that wind, of course, is a little unpredictable off the tree line. But never mind. It's ever the way here. Unless it's very light and doesn't affect you. Generally, when it's a bit of a, I think it's about 10 knots, sort of, not really gusting, but it does increase every now and again. Nice. As with the other, I just bought one battery, just have a fly, you know. This time of year it's difficult to get out, weather being what it is. And all the furore over the drone registration stuff. I'm still not quite 100% sure what's going on with the British Model Flying Association, but I think we've got an exemption until the January renewals. They're bringing out their own drone safety tests. Well, I'm in two minds just to take that anyway, as it doesn't cost anything and you can take it as many times as you like. Because you need to have something. The only exemptions are for those who already have certificates A's and B's, and I think that's slightly an error, because it does not necessarily mean that they're au fait with the actual rules and regulations pertaining to the new laws, because they may have taken those A and B certificates some time ago. So my personal view is that they should still have to take the drone safety test or its equivalent. That gives everybody a base level then. And then in the future, the questions can be incorporated in new renewals or new A and B certificates. Well, that's just me, and what do I know? Something about 400 feet, but if that model's at 400 feet, we better see it. So, I don't know, it's probably only about 150, 200 feet at the most up there. At the most. But here we have a slight problem, but there's a hospital over there, and you do get air ambulances and police helicopters and the military whizzing through here at 250 feet or below on the approach, so you have to be wary, keeping a weather eye out. I haven't had one for a bit, but that doesn't mean there won't be one today or tomorrow or whenever. Oop, steady. Yeah, signal's not good low, so I'm just going to keep it a bit. get a long time on this, which is nice, as long as you don't thrash it. Get about 6.5 minutes, which is quite a lot. Quite a lot. Implement throttle. Sticking again. A sticky, and that's taking the blooming friction and stuff off of that. It's not as good as my DX7S, this DX6. Definitely not. The gimbals don't feel as nice. I don't seem to have been able to rectify it. It's very graunchy, jumps, which is not good. So we'll have to have a look at that again. Quite say best to know that now than later. And I suppose better come that way for a landing when it's time. Yeah, definitely a success with telephone, definitely. And that might be more like 300 and so foot. Just gonna land you, hopefully. Oh, just there. That'll do. It's not quite so wet up this end. That's what you're telling yourself, is it? Oh my god. I was hoping for the long grass. Oh, never mind. Oh my god. Oh well. It's that sort of time of year, unfortunately. It does get wet. And if it's not water, it's snow. But that's all gone up inside there. Oh, it's not too bad.